Hey everybody, it's time to pick the winners for the drone drop giveaway. Just a reminder that we're not giving away the actual drone drop box. It's just a random mishmash of stuff from previous and current. But anyway, you're getting some free stuff in a box. Don't complain. The winners are, we're picking 3 winners. The winners are Missy, Raske. Thank you, Missy. Same to you. And Jamie Gerrard. Well done, Jamie. You put a silly comment in hopes that when it came up, it would be hilarious. It was. And Pawel Pawel Niezgoda. Thank you guys so much. Thanks to everybody who entered. You guys who won, contact me via email, joshuabardwell@gmail.com, to arrange delivery of the prizes. Thanks to everybody who watches. Hey, there was one more thing I was going to say. Yeah, I promised in the terms and conditions to do the drawing on March 1st, and it's now March 2nd. I did do the drawing on March 1st, but I always wait till the end of the day to give it, because I hate seeing messages by people saying, did I miss it? And I'm like, oh, you missed it. So I always wait till the end of the day just to give people as much time as possible to enter. Anyway, that's it. See you next time.